for me!
Orwell and Cleveland. http://www.weather.gov/safety/
This one's for me.
flood turnaround. Nope. Thunderstorm warning for St. Lawrence County in northern New York until 6:15 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southwest of Cedar Island State Park to 61 miles southwest of West Fowler, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Depester, Chippewa Bay, Morley, Potsdam, Messina Village, Talkville, South Edwards, Degrassi, Pierpont, West Stockholm, West Potsdam, Newton Falls, North Gruner, West Fowler, West Pierpont, East DeKalb, Aldridge, Lisbon, Waddington, and Rickville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flood warning in effect until